Alright, how's it going, guys? It is Fizzlepop Pictures, Vance, YouTuber, hasn't been one in like over a year, but that's okay. This is for the second channel. Andrew sent me something, so I'm gonna just open it. And you don't need to see me cutting it open, because that's boring. No, who wants to look at that? Once I like get these flaps open, I'll just open it up and then we'll see what's happening, you know? Okay. Now let's see what's going down. This card is leather. Wait, is belated. Oh, right. Fucking Conaway. 'Cause I be lazy. Okay. Well, actually, I gotta just read that. I'm not that illiterate. Actually, no, I am illiterate. Hold on. God motherfucking damn. You're getting old as shit, nephew. 15 years old, like that cum stain on Cringey's. Oh, okay. But anyways, happy birthday, man. Let's see. I've known you for like 2 years now, and you're an awesome friend. Aw, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Love you. That's me talking to him. I appreciate it. I love you. This is actually really sweet. I hope you enjoy these goodies I've packed for you. Although some are from Trey. Ooh, Trey. Ooh. Treyway. I'll let you guess which ones. I hope these help you with LOA. Of course. Mac and Mr. Heel anime review showcase. Oh, God. Jesus Christ, I do have a lot of series, don't I? Craig and Lexi's Bizarre Adventures with Clark 2. That's definitely definitely happening, you guys. I don't know when, but sometime. Or whatever you have planned. I wish you again a happy birthday, Andrew. Classic Conaway. Oh, I love this dude. This is just great. Oh my fucking God. Yeah, this is great. That's just beautiful. That's you just can't beat that. Oh, it's Cringey. Hello. Oh, I haven't felt this. What is it called? Like the second iteration of Trackmaster 2? Is that what this is? Oh, but this is beautiful. Look at that. This actually feels like quality, not like, you know, everything after 2014. Let's see. We have Ryan from high school. Oh God, this is lovely. Not Fuckboy Wilson. Oh, this is also lovely. Oh my God, I almost forgot the joke for him. Special announcement. AKA Ryan's homie. Actually, no, these are all Ryan's homies. What am I talking about? Kenji's homie? Kenji? Benji? Oh, now I'm forgetting what his name is. I'm forgetting all my jokes. Jared's homie, I guess? Speedy's homie too? Oh, crap. This is all amazing. Oh, no, this is definitely Ryan's homie. Oh, get out here, Clone Godred. Oh, Brewster. I actually did have fried chicken today, so that's something. Action Thomas. Man, Action Chugger really do be me and Ryan's homie, though. Ooh. Yeah, Ryan has this, too. This glowy Thomas. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is a whole new definition that we need more chuggers. Alright, these are wrapped up, so I'm going to open them one by one. Let's start with this one. Sorry that my on-camera career... I almost said charisma. Ugh, my charisma is just terrible. Oh, so this is what Trey's customs feel like. These feel a lot like mine. Alright, so that's... Jesus, this is very lovely, Trey. Aesthetically, they feel a lot like mine. Like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right, because this one of the wheels is smaller. Thank you very much, Trey. That's epic. Oh, I love these, actually. Now, let's see. These two other homies. Oh, God. Please don't be who I think it is. Let's see. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's Lily. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, well, at least Douglas can get some pussy. God, motherfucking damn. Well, that's Lily. And who's this? Hold on. Oh. Now, this is the best part. Besides Dwight and everything else, of course. Suck my balls, Mari. Bulgy is still green. Oh, so... I don't know what brand this is. I'm kind of out of touch, but... I do know what brand this is, but off the top of my head, I can't name it. But this is lovely. This is lovely. This was all lovely. So once again, as per usual, Conaway never misses. Fuck. Wait, give me a second. Sorry, guys, I was being a dumbass. But as I was saying, as per usual, Conaway never misses. We got the marketable 3 for the Chuggington movie. We have Ryan in high school for the Chuggington movie. We have Action Chugger for, I guess, the Chuggington movie. We have, what's her name, Zeffy? Oh, I think that's what her name is. She's like a C, B tier Chuggington character, so whatever. We got Pete for the Chuggington movie. Emery for the Chuggington movie. White police car Thomas for the Chuggington movie. Lily for the Chuggington movie. Panty for the Chuggington movie. Stocking for the Chuggington movie. And Kenji for the Chuggington movie. And Dwight for the Chuggington movie. Thank you very much, Andrew. This is all awesome. Like, holy shit. This is gonna go up on the shelf with all that garbage. Well, not garbage. This is also great. That's great. That's great. That's especially great. And I'm gonna give that a face soon. Ooh. Yeah, this is going on the second channel. So yay, this is great. I keep saying this is great because that's what it is. This is awesome. I love this. This made my day. So, thank you.